Nigo muraiwense Dr. William Samoei Ruto achaka bene tare ya matukabere asense ya Israel gukwana chinga kyabaga kumirana no muraiwense yo Isaac Herzog nigo abaga goteba buna babekire obwa mateburobya wogo cyakobwatrana asogokora imirimo aho yo gwikirania amagendero egatiye chinse kibere nigetambukiro boigo kyabage kugokerwa no muraiwense yo ase obwamo babeka okoiwana osaba koiwana gochiya wekini asamangana au gati yabamangana yo bonchoreria oburemi oburendi naboigo obutumeki bw'ekinchera cyekerero amanke nigo twarganire no muri cyoito dipo nasanya
Umuraiwense ya Kenya William Ruto amona First Lady Rachel Ruto nigo bakoreta aro yabo bene asense ya Israelit kuria rero eliogo sanga nkwana yobu amatobuya gatiense ya Kenya amonense ya Israel
and the people of Israel to reiterate our long-standing relations between our two countries, which you have ably spoken to, and to assure you that my visit to Israel is part of the consolidation of our relationship. Long-standing, fruitful, mutually beneficial relationship. We have a great history together.
Kusangano muraiwense ya Israel Isaac Herzog Ruto nigateba nganta yarare kubwatirana eliogo sanga chinchera cyogo kinia uchumi yense ya Kenya ngwetero kubwatirana n'abamanyi bense ya Israel.
That needs investment and cooperation, and I am very confident that Israel can share with us your experience and work with your technology and work with your expertise in that space. And of course, on matters to do with security, and we also want to see how we can bring the private sector into this space.
Umuraiwense William Ruto ni garu okoboko kubwatirana ne serikali yense ya Israel eliogo twara oboncherio buya bitango binde bitaiyo.
By allowing them to trade, to do business, to invest without unnecessary restrictions, specifically on the subject of avoidance of double taxation.
Umuraiwense William Ruto bwego nigenyoro bwa matobwe bwa chagetwe elio litangani no muraiwense ya Kenya umutangani omugaka Jomo Kenyatta.
Going back to 60 years, we always remember our first president, President Jomo Kenyatta, laid the foundation for the Israel embassy 2 days after our independence.
Amazing.
It was the first such event for any country, underscoring the relationship between Kenya and Israel that was there even before our independence.
Umuraiwense ya Israel Isaac Herzog nere gago kiretaro yo muraiwense ya Kenya William Ruto asate banga bone yenenga kingiya yo kubaterana anene mono gukinia obonchoreria nebinde binge elio koreta obwa matobuya.
We could do so much more in terms of business relations on all fields of agriculture, trade, science, and energy, and all other fields of joint cooperation. We are grateful to you for your friendship with us in the international forums, and we believe that the real story is to enhance the relations between our future generations and people to people on so many fronts. So thank you very much, and I hope you'll have a wonderful visit with us. We're your excellent team with your ministers who are here. Thank you.
Kuripoteria egetasini Ndizi TV kurose kaunti ya Kisii elitalia Ndipo